Welcome back to Life and Fork. Did you always think that this was just for drinking? Well, nope. Actually, we can take this tequila and make an awesome shrimp recipe. Check it out.
If looks could kill, if looks could kill.
So today we're gonna make an awesome summer recipe called tequila lime shrimp. So it's pretty simple. The ingredients we're gonna need is a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, cilantro, limes, shrimp, that's 6 ounces, peeled, deveined, a little bit of tequila. Don't use the best tequila you have in the house, that's for drinking, this is for cooking. A little ground black pepper and a little bit of paprika. So first things first, we gotta marinate our shrimp. What we're gonna do is take our shrimp, put it in the bowl. We're gonna add about 2 ounces of olive oil, 2 pinches of kosher salt, some chopped cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, about 1 ounce of tequila, a little bit of paprika, it's about 1 teaspoon, some fresh ground black pepper, then we're going to take a little fork, mix it all together to make sure that we get it nicely coated all the way around using the tequila and the olive oil and the lime. I mean, you can smell the tequila, the flavor, the profile is, you know, just like what you would think of tequila. But what this is going to do is marinate the shrimp. So what we're going to do is let this marinate for about, I would say about 15 minutes at least, not too much because it has lime juice in it, so you don't want to cook your shrimp. So just let it rest for 15 minutes and then we're going to cook. Okay, so it's showtime. Throw your shrimp marinade into a hot, smoking hot wok. This is gonna be super fast. It's gonna move quick. All you're gonna do is saute it back and forth. That way you don't burn it. It's gonna be fast. You want that sear. That way the shrimp have that nice crispiness on the outside, but still moist on the inside. You don't want it to steam. You can see the finished product right here. Amazing. The sauce, perfect. Now for the fun part, we're gonna plate our dish. So what I did for this one, I did a little bit of steamed white rice on the bottom. I'm gonna grab my shrimp. I'm gonna put them right on top of the rice. Then I'm going to start garnishing it. So I have a little bit of sliced jalapeno. So I'm going to layer that in there. A little bit of fresh cilantro leaves. Some diced avocado. Then I'm going to make a little salad. So I got a little bit of baby arugula. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Brown black pepper, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of kosher salt. Mix that in. Don't be afraid to use your hands, get dirty, have fun with it. And this is gonna be my topper. So what I do is make a little nest, and it goes right on top. Just like that. So there you go. You see how easy it is to make such an easy dish, tequila lime shrimp. It sounds amazing. It is amazing. You love tequila, you're gonna love this dish. As always, love you guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Get those reminders. Follow us, comment, love. As always, bye.